How to fix Roblox not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find your apps, and now click apps again and here type Roblox and then click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and then force stop. And now here we'll find permissions, check storage, maybe we'll find it like that, just allow it. And that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.